We all know the morning routine. You're digging through an overflowing drawer full of options, but somehow you still end up spending the rest of the day fighting rolling waistbands, visible lines, and constant adjustments. This discomfort stems from a specific mechanical mismatch between the construction of your innerwear and the way your outer garments actually move. When wearing a tight dress, yoga pants, or jeans, you balance dermalogical health against aesthetic stealth. Thick fabrics create jagged, visible lines, but stealth carries a biological price. Friction from thin synthetics creates localized heat maps, causing skin darkening, chafing, and infections. To eliminate the daily guesswork, we have to look at our clothing as 4 distinct scenarios. Building an optimized foundation for your wardrobe relies on prioritizing biological and structural logic over purely aesthetic trends. Scenario 1 is your daily driver. These are the pieces you wear around the house, running errands, or sitting at a desk in standard jeans and casual tops. For this scenario, the math is strict. Look for a blend of 90 to 95% cotton and 5 to 10% spandex. This split screen shows why. The organic weave on the left allows airflow, while the dense synthetic mesh on the right traps everything. That high cotton ratio ensures your skin can breathe, safely absorbing the natural moisture your body produces over a 12-hour day. Notice the difference between a wide cotton gusset and a narrow synthetic cut. Pads need a wide base to adhere. A narrow cut spills over and shifts, concentrating friction vectors on your inner thighs, causing damage. The wide cut disperses force safely. The trade-off here is aesthetic. Because these pieces are built from thicker materials, the seams will show if you wear them under very thin outer layers. You should also avoid daily wear that uses thin, decorative lace waistbands. As you sit and stand, that narrow elastic rolls over on itself, creating a painful pressure point. For everyday wear, biological health and friction prevention completely override the desire for an invisible profile. Scenario 2 covers dresses, skirts, and loose billowing fabrics. The structural solution for these open-air garments is the boy shortcut. This design extends fabric down past the groin, providing total, uninterrupted coverage across the hips and upper thighs. By covering that surface area, the fabric acts as a mechanical shield, eliminating skin-on-skin inner thigh chafing. It also gives you immediate psychological security against a sudden gust of wind or an awkward seated angle. When your outer layers are loose and free-moving, combating internal body friction requires maximum fabric coverage rather than less. Scenario 3 involves high-activity environments wearing skin-tight outer layers, like yoga pants or athletic leggings. To survive this scenario aesthetically, the required inputs are seamless, laser-cut synthetics or minimalist thongs. This fabric cross-section compares a bulky hem on the left, creating a jagged bump under tight athletic wear, with a laser-cut edge on the right that merges perfectly flat. However, that flat synthetic offers zero breathability. As temperature rises, trapped sweat and bacteria rapidly accumulate. Seamless embatics and thongs are short-term tactical tools designed for a specific event. They perform their job well, but you must remove them as soon as the workout or the event ends. Scenario 4 deals with bodycon dresses, thin jersey fabrics, and high-compression shapewear. We need to address the shapewear illusion directly. Compression garments smooth out natural skin folds and temporary bloating, but they do not reduce your physical body mass. A common mistake is buying a size smaller to force a tighter fit. Do not do this. Always purchase shapewear in your true measured hip and waist size. When sitting with a thin elastic waistband, the torso bending 90 degrees causes the narrow band to collapse and roll, creating a new, uncomfortable bulge. The solution is a wide, tall, rectangular band. It distributes tension, bending cleanly and remaining flat against your stomach. Thin or tight clothing reveals a challenge involving visual transparency, the widespread misunderstanding of color matching. Look at this split-screen layout showing a sheer white fabric overlay. Wearing white underneath white pants guarantees high visibility. As seen on the left, the stark white square contrasts heavily against your natural skin tone beneath the fabric. Your innerwear color must perfectly match your exact skin tone, not the color of the clothing you are wearing on top. To function correctly, High compression and stealth scenarios require precise engineering in both your structural sizing and your exact color matching. Now it's time for the wardrobe audit. We apply the rule of form follows function to evaluate exactly what is currently sitting in your drawer. If a garment has frayed elastic, a waistband that rolls permanently, or material that has simply lost its structural integrity, throw it away. It is no longer performing its mechanical job. Next, take all your narrow gusset cuts, your full synthetics, and your delicate lace items and move them into a separate pile designated strictly for short-term event wear. This flowchart maps out your final drawer structure. The pieces that earn a spot on the green daily driver path must meet the core criteria: 95% cotton, a comfortable high waist, and an exact match to your skin tone. Keep in mind that fabric degrades over time. All innerwear has a functional expiration date based on the breakdown of these elastic fibers. To extend that timeline, establish a simple maintenance rule. Always wash your pieces securely zipped inside a protective mesh laundry bag. This protects the elasticity from the aggressive agitation of the washing machine. It is easy to hesitate and hold on to old, uncomfortable items out of habit. Overcome that hesitation. The baseline physical comfort of your daily life is worth the cost of replacing them. A truly optimized innerwear wardrobe is built on biological safety, structural math, and situational awareness. Once you match the function to the form, you free yourself from daily physical discomfort.